In this session, you and I will act as part of the Blue Wave retail sales team. Our goal is to prepare a complete client partnership pitch from emails to sale documents, from data analysis to a polished slide deck using Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and full in-app Copilot. In this session, we'll discuss on OneDrive setup and sales case introduction, Outlook and Copilot, Word and Copilot, Excel and Copilot, PowerPoint and Copilot, and cross-app Copilot workflow. Let's begin by organizing our workspace for this project. We are going to OneDrive, click on Create Folder. We are going to name it Blue Wave Retail Sales Pitch Project. Going to My Files, find Blue Wave Sales Pitch Project here. This folder will hold all our pitch related assets. We are going to create subfolders for docs, sales data and slides. Create a folder for docs, sales data, and slides. Let's begin by brainstorming sales angle. So we go to Word, we are going to create a blank document. We are going to name it as Pitch Ideas. And we are going to use a prompt to generate pitch ideas. So we can give in a prompt as generate 10 creative angles for pitching a retail SaaS solution to a potential client. These suggestions will help shape our pitch directions. Some of the suggestions given include data-driven decisions, personalized customer experience, omnichannel integrations, rapid deployment and scalability, automated operations, security and compliance, cost optimization, future-proof technology, enhanced collaboration, customer insights, and loyalty programs. Next up, we are going to move into Outlook and create both the internal and client-facing communication. Let's go to Outlook and let's draft in a mail. Let's put in a rough draft. Hi, we want to show our product. When can we meet? This is too informal. Let's define it with Copilot. I'm going to select the mail and I'm going to use Copilot to rewrite it. I'm going to use a prompt here. Rewrite this as a confident, client ready pitch introduction, and hit enter to see what Copilot is going to give us with. Hello, I hope this message finds you well. We are eager to present an innovative product to you and discuss how it can benefit your business. Could you please let us know a convenient time for a meeting? Looking forward to your response. Now this email sounds polished and pitch appropriate. Let's send the mail. Next up, let's use Copilot for an internal pipeline update. So again, we are going to do in a rough draft. Hi team, pipeline 3 leads, 1 warm, 1 pending reply. Now we are going to use Copilot to summarize this. We're going to select, click on the Copilot icon, and we're going to give in a prompt. Summarize this for a weekly sales team update. This structured summary is exactly what a sales manager would expect. It gives it crystal clear. Now, let's create in a mail. Now, let's create in a meeting. So, we're going to click on the calendar icon. Let's select new event in here. Let's select a day for the meeting. Let's do 20th. And we're going to add in a title. So the title is going to be Client Pitch Review. Blue Wave Retail. We're going to give in a prompt in chat M365 Copilot for creating a structured agenda for a sales pitch review meeting. So given the prompt, create a structured agenda for a sales pitch review meeting. What Copilot has done here is, it has broken this meeting into clear discussion items for alignment. That includes welcome and objectives, the context and target customer review, pitch walkthrough, product and service alignment, feedback and discussions, action items and refinements, and the closing. Now, let's build the actual sales pitch document using Word Copilot. Now, we are going to Word and open Blue Wave sales pitch. The headings has been pre-inserted. It includes product overview, customer pain points, proposed solution, key benefits, pricing overview, and next steps. Now we are going to the product overview section, and we are going to use Copilot to generate. We are going to give in a prompt, write a 120 word product overview for a retail SaaS solution focusing on efficiency and automation. This right here gives us a solid narrative foundation. Next up, we are going to create the customer pain points. So again, we're going to use Copilot. We can give in a prompt, list 5 common retail operational pain points our product can solve. Let's hit enter and see what Copilot is going to give us. It talks of inefficient inventory management, manual sales reporting, complex order processing, lack of system integration, and high operational cost. We're going to keep it. Next up, we are going to the proposed solution section, and again we're going to use Copilot to draft. You're going to give in a prompt. Write a persuasive paragraph describing how Blue Wave's solution addresses these pain points. Let's see what Copilot has given us. The proposed solution given by Copilot talks of how Blue Wave tackles these pain points, what are its features, how its automated sales reporting can help with informed decision making, and it also talks of how it can reduce operational cost, helps with productivity, and helps retailers stay agile. We're going to keep it. Next up, we're going down to key benefits, and we're going to use again Copilot to draft. We're going to use a prompt. Create a benefit. Let's give it a number. Let's do create a 6-point benefit list in crisp, sales-oriented language, making it specific. Next up, you're going to use Copilot to generate a simple pricing model. So, given a prompt, generate a simple pricing model structure with tiers. We are going to rewrite the entire pitch. So, given a prompt, rewrite entire pitch document for clarity, structure, and persuasion. This seems more professional and it is more persuasive. Talks of the solution, the benefits, the pricing overview, and the next steps involved. Now, let's move to Excel and analyze our sales data to strengthen our pitch. I have the Blue Wave sales data here, and I have given in rough data. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to add in the columns of conversion rate and revenue growth month over month. Let me select the data and given a prompt to Copilot to add columns for conversions and revenue. Let's see what Copilot's giving us with. If you open the Excel, you would find the conversion rate. Also, you would find the revenue per conversion. Next up, we are going to use Just going to copy paste this to our Excel online sheet here. We are going to do a conditional formatting. I'm going to select this and I'm going to give in a conditional. I'm going to highlight revenue per conversion. I'm going to highlight revenue here. I'm going to do a conditional formatting. So click on more options, conditional formatting, click on highlight cell rules, click on greater than, and I'm going to click revenue as greater than 30,000. We want it to be green in color. Click on this and click done. Anything greater than 30,000 is highlighted. Next up, I'm going to use Copilot to generate charts. So giving the prompt as create a line chart showing monthly revenue growth for, you can give in the sheet name, click on the sheet name, and let's see what Copilot is going to give us. We can add it to a new sheet. So this is a line chart that is comparing revenue with revenue growth. You can also do a clustered column chart. Let's do another chart. Let's do create a clustered column chart comparing leads versus conversions for, and we can give in our Excel book name. Let's see what Copilot is going to give us with. You can download it. Let's see what Copilot has given us. That's opening up, and it has given us a leads versus conversion. It is doing a month by month. Okay, that's interesting. Now let's use Copilot to help strengthen the pitch. Let's give in a prompt. Give me 3 insights about the sales data that would help strengthen a pitch. Let's add content. Let's see if we can copy paste the chart. What I'm going to do is, this insights given by Copilot, they help justify the value of a product. We are going to copy this to Word. Click on copy response, go down to Blue Wave sales pitch, and I'm going to copy and select the data, and I'm going to select the text given here and copy paste. Going to select copy response, going to Word, Blue Wave sales pitch, next steps, and paste it. Now let's turn this presentation ready. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to select Copilot and put in the prompt as convert these into this insights into 3 to 4 presentation ready bullet points. Now it's time to turn all of this into a visual pitch using PowerPoint Copilot. I'm going to open PowerPoint here. I'm going to create a blank presentation. I'm going to name it Blue Wave Sales Pitch Deck. I can use in any of the designs here. Let's use Designer from Copilot. This seems nice. Let's use this. And it's applied. Now we are going to use Copilot to create presentation from file. So we're going to click on Home. Click on the Copilot icon here. Add content. And we are going to use Blue Wave Sales Pitch. This is the entire word that is imported here. But then let's just do this is the summary of all of the Word document. Let's give it a prompt. Create a pitch deck from this sales proposal. Let's see what Copilot is going to give us. It is giving us a complete sales pitch. It is a complete deck in seconds. It's a huge time saver. Let's say you want to rewrite any of the slide bullets. Let's select any of these content here. Let's say we want to rewrite the Blue Wave solution. I'm going to select this here. Copy paste it, copy it, paste it into the chat, and I'm going to give it a prompt. Rewrite this bullets for a persuasive sales pitch. Let's see what Copilot is going to give us. This is more persuasive. Now let's copy paste these content. Let's make the bullets more concise. Okay. Let's copy paste the content that is given. This is all of our slide content, and if you want to add in the visual from Excel, you just go into new slide and you can use this charts here to make it more visually appealing. Now these visuals, they strengthen the pitch with real data. Now let's say we want to generate speaker notes. What we do is we go to Copilot. You can give in write 45 to 60-second speaker notes for this slide. Now that we have our pitch decks and content ready, let's generate final communication and wrap up. We are going to Word, going to Copilot, going to Summarize. So click on the Copilot icon and going to give in a prompt. Summarize the full sales pitch project into 5 high-level bullet points. If you're going to keep it, it talks of revenue growth, scaling phase, conversion efficiency, scalable pipeline, and clear path to upside. I'm going to select this. I'm going to use this in my deck. You can copy paste this and call it summary or next steps. And increase the font size. We are also going to mail this for an internal update. So what we do is we go to mail. We are going to click on the email icon, click on new email, use Copilot. I'm going to give in a prompt, write a professional update email, summarizing the sales pitch progress. And next steps. Going to copy paste this. So this is more clear. It talks of our pipelines, what is our clear path, what is the conclusion, all of this. Now, let's say we want to move all our folders. You can simply go into Word, click on File, Export, Download as PDF, the same thing with the deck. And the reason why we download it as a PDF is so that the formatting is kept. Now, if needed, you can go back to your OneDrive, move all of our final deliverables into OneDrive folder, and that would be our final pitch package. And let's say we want to do an executive summary. You go back to Word, give in the prompt, create a 100-word executive summary for this Blue Wave sales pitch. And this is something that we can use to update the senior leadership about. Here's a brief recap. Microsoft 365 Copilot supported the end-to-end sales pitch workflow for Blue Wave Retail. Copilot was used in Outlook to rewrite client emails and summarize internal updates. Word Copilot generated the product overview, customer pain points, and benefits for the pitch document. Excel Copilot analyzed sales data, created formulas, surfaced insights, and auto-generated charts. PowerPoint Copilot transformed the word pitch into a polished presentation and produced speaker notes. And Cross-App Copilot prompts helped turn content into bullets, summaries, and talking points. With this, we were able to create client-ready communication, and that completes our workflow. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.